In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each field means so your vendor bills are recorded clearly and paid on time. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and heading to your main workspace. From here, look toward the top left for the Create button. Hover your mouse over it to open the full menu of transaction types. From that menu, choose Bill. This opens the bill form where you'll capture the details from the vendor's invoice. At the top of the form, select your vendor. This tells QuickBooks who you owe and pulls in any default settings you've saved for that vendor, which helps with consistency. Next, review the Terms field. Choose the payment terms that match the vendor's invoice, like net 30 or due on receipt. QuickBooks uses this to calculate the due date automatically, which helps you plan cash flow and avoid late fees. Enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the vendor's invoice. This is important for searching, reporting, and reconciling if the vendor has questions later. If you see a permit number or similar reference field, use it for any project or permit reference your vendor included. If it doesn't apply, it's fine to leave it blank. Now move down to the category section, choose the expense account that best fits what you're being billed for, such as utilities, office supplies, or subcontractors. Proper categorization keeps your financial reports accurate. In the amount column, type the exact amount from the invoice for that line. If your bill includes multiple types of expenses, you can add additional category lines and split the total accordingly. Use the description field to add context that will help you or your accountant understand the charge later. On the right of the line, you'll see the customer field. Use this if the expense relates to a specific customer or job. Assigning a customer here helps with job costing, and if you mark it billable elsewhere in your settings and workflow, makes it easier to pass costs on to that customer. When everything looks correct, choose Save and schedule payment. This saves the bill to your books and lets you set a payment date that matches the terms you selected. Scheduling ahead helps you avoid late fees while keeping cash flow predictable. That's it. You've created a bill in QuickBooks Online, selected the right vendor and terms, organize the expense under the correct category, and set up payment, all in a few clear steps.